To insert memory card into the Redmi Note 15, first of all you have to prepare the SIM injection tool, and on the smartphone we can find the SIM slot over here. So we have to just put it like that. There we go. And now gently press on that slot. Then we have to take it off. I can recommend you to use fingernails, for example. And we can input the memory card just over here. And the position of the memory card should align that. There we go. As you can see now, we just put it properly. And to put it back, we have to hold it like so. There's this marking, face to screen. Take a look. Just gonna show you. Face to screen. That's how we have to put it. Now press this. Gently. There we go. And as you can see right now, it is inside. And that's everything for this video.